Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Listen right now, Skyeng Mavis teams up with Google Code to avoid another running hack news. While some are unable to recover from hacking indicates hand F2 through in tower, others are able to break out the paces, learn from their shortcomings, and go at for another round. In the announcement saying, to counter gap exit in Infinity creators Kaimeva said that it had turned it up with the Google Code to Tintin, the security of the running blockchain network, and pursued its vision of building a rewarding gaming universe. With the multi-year collaboration Google Code, with the bank's independent enterprise validator for running in a node, pulled along with the anomalous brains their brother and Nansen, the firm will take on the monitoring validator uptimes and contribute to the collective security of the network. According to Faith ANHO, the CEO, founder, and self-training officer of SkyMavis, one of the reasons for the collaboration is Google Cloud's auto-scaling and automates application development capabilities. He explained that this frees up to iGunners to break new ground and they let users with interact with the impressive experience, all without disrupting active gameplay. Roma Balls-Merriman, an executive at Google Code, said they will be working with schema-based to accretive the roadmap and grow the running network with a more secure infrastructure. Balls-Merriman also deployed P2E concept that exceeds in Infinity Craig and highlighted the another potential possibilities that may emerge from the collaboration. P2E gaming is a truth, but Axie Infinity AXS could rebound for 3K reasons. The collaboration with Google Cloud is part of the schema-based efforts to hack its security measures to prevent another instance like the running hack. Back in March, the running network was breaking sovereign losses estimated to above 600 million during the time of the hack. Sky Mavis only had 9 validator nodes at the moment. The firm said that it has excellent validator nodes and they're working to increase the number to 21. The value of NFTs revolves around the non-fungible nature of these digital assets, which the feature that sets them apart from cryptocurrencies. As NFTs as cryptocurrencies are not the same things, each NFT has its own unique set of attributes such as size, sector, creator, etc. that therefore cannot be interchanged with another asset. On the contrary, Bitcoin BTC is a fungible asset. If you are fortunate enough to own one BTC and you exchange for another one BTC, nothing has changed. You still have the same amounts of the Bitcoin to use or hold onto. The same holds true of fiat currencies such as US dollars or the euro and other exponents of the fungible assets. $1 of euro notes is ungrabbable with any other dollars to euro note, regardless of characteristics such as the serial number of whatever you've got, the notes in your pocket, or a bank account. Where you get into a gray area is if you have a coin that's considered to be collector's item, in which case the item fits the bills as a non-fungible item. Another real-world example is baseball cards, which are more closely related to non-fungible tokens, considering one card is not equal to another, and clearly the concept of fungible tokens is no longer a major goal. Basketball, MLB, the National Basketball Association, NBA, and the other sporting organizations individual dams and the athletes. How much are NFTs worth? In theory, anyone can tokenize their work and sell it as NFT, but recent headlines about multi-billion dollars purchases have piqued with intention. For instance, Chrome sold some of her digital printings for more than $6 million, or isn't the only thing that is tokenized and sold, with the bits reaching $2 million. Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey sponsored an NFT of the first ever tweet story of French company that the overs football trading cards in the forms of NFTs has raised $680 million, but is with cryptocurrencies. This is concern regarding the NFT environmental impact. Why are NFTs getting so much attention? NFTs first appraised in the cryptocurrencies industry in 2012 until 2013, then depending on how What of the next UCAS of the Ketrugger took, they didn't make to their way to the Ethereum blockchains until 2017. Since then, however, more tokens live on an Ethereum blockchains. Maybe that's all for me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.